Hi and welcome to our Git tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about Git Status and Git Log command. Git Status. The Git Status command shows you the status of your working directory and staging area. It tells you which files are modified, which files are staged, and which ones are not tracked. It's a useful command to understand the current state of your repository. Command, Git Status. Before running Git add command. In this example, first we update the README file using the VI editor and then run Git Status. By running Git Status before Git add, you get a snapshot of the current state of your repository. This allows you to review the changes you've made, identify which files are modified or untracked, and decide which ones you want to include in the next commit. After running Git add command. After running Git add, you can use Git Status again to see how the status has changed. The files you added are now staged, and the status will reflect that they are ready to be committed. Git log. The git log command is used to view the commit history of a repository. It shows a chronological list of commits along with details like commit hash, author, date, and commit message. Command, git log. After running the git log command, it will give you following info. Commit hash, SHA1, a unique identifier for each commit. This hash is a long string of characters, and it uniquely identifies the commit. Author, the name and email address of the person who made the commit. Date and time, the date and time when the commit was made.